Hi guys, it's QC Chrissy and I am back with week 26 and 27 of our Q&A a day journal. I know. I keep saying I'm gonna catch up and I keep falling behind, but I'm gonna catch up. My goal is to be caught up by the end of August. That is my goal. So, if this is your first time, welcome. If not, welcome back. Please hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so, and the bell so you know every time I drop one of these videos. Okay, so let's get started. Let me get my glasses. And again, we are starting on week 26. And the date is June 22nd. And the question is, what is the last movie you saw in a theater? Oh my gosh. Isn't that sad that we have not been in it? It's weird that this book, it didn't just come out, but some of the questions, it's like, you think about it and go, yeah. Anyway, the last movie I saw in the theater was Jumanji 2. That's been a while, and I can't wait to get back in theaters. I mean, my husband and I, we go to. Sometimes we go to the same movie, but if we don't, we try to find movies that are close in time, and because we're so different and we like different types of movies, so we just go to the movie together, but we see different movies sometimes. Anyway. Tuesday, June 23rd. The question is, when is the last time you cried? Recently, watching the George Floyd video, and then the protest that came afterwards, just, tough, very tough, very, very tough. Tough to watch. Wednesday, June 24th. The question is, what's your next social engagement? Well, my grandson's first birthday is coming up, and since everything else I've done is been canceled, so we are still having a family gathering for his first birthday. It's gonna be good, but that's my social gathering. Is my grandson's first birthday. Woo! Anyway, Thursday, June 25th. It says, "Who is your closest companion?" My husband. We do a lot together. We spend a lot of time together. So how could he not be my closest companion? Friday, June 26th. The question is, what's your biggest indulgence? I have many indulgences. So, wigs, clothes, sweets. Oh my gosh, sweets. I mean, yeah, those about sum it up. Yeah. Saturday, June 27th. The question is, when was the last time you ate pizza and what kind? Well, the last time I ate pizza was from IKEA. I know it's crazy, right? But I love their little thin crust pizza, and it's like $1, and it's right down the street. So whenever I just have a hankering for some pizza. Not that I mean, there are other places that I really like, but that is so easy and convenient, and it's $1. So yeah, it's just plain. There's nothing on it. It's just plain cheese pizza, but it's good. You should try it if you have an IKEA in your area. So Sunday, June 28th. The question is, if your mood were a weather forecast, you'd be. At that time, I put partly sunny with the partly cloudy with a chance of sunshine. That is true though. I mean, like ever since this COVID stuff, I'm like, you're like, you know, you go through mood swings. So sometimes you feel down, and then sometimes you just feel grateful for, you know, the things that you have and the fact that you're healthy, etc. So, you know, it's partly cloudy. So that would fit. Um, okay, so now we're on to week 27, and we're on Monday, June 29th. And the question is, what are the top songs in your recent playlist? Um, there's a song that I just recently jumped on, and I know that it's been out for a while, but her name is Maggie Rogers, and the song is called Alaska. I love it. I really do. It's different. If you get a chance, listen to it. The other song that I just recently played, and I actually downloaded it, is the Savage remix with Beyonce. Yeah, I still got that little bit of hip hop rap something in me that still, you know, likes a little bit of that music. So yeah. Let's see. Tuesday, June 30th. The question is, what can you live without right now? Oh, about 50 pounds. and this daggone COVID-19 crap. Definitely could live without that. And the racism that's going on. Can live without that. I know it didn't say one specific answer, but those would be my three, top three. Wednesday, July 1st, the question is water, ice, or steam? I don't even know what that means. Ice? I don't know. I don't, for what? What? I mean, I don't even. Anyway, okay. Oh, so July 1st makes half a year. But my weeks are just still different. So I gotta figure this one out. Anyway, let's go to July 2nd. On Thursday, it says, today you canceled blank. I didn't cancel anything, okay? Everything has already been canceled. So I ain't cancel nothing that day. I mean, with this pandemic going on, everything has been already canceled. So Friday, July 3rd, it says, what was the last beach you went to? Isle of Palm in South Carolina. A friend of mine, I don't know if she's watching, but a friend of mine has a beach house, has two actually, condos on the Isle of Palm, and every so often I will go and just chill out for the weekend. So, but that's probably been a year or so, maybe. Probably 2 years. No, I would say maybe a year and a half, but it's been a while. So 4th of July, which is Saturday, it says blank is funny. And I put Kevin Hart because I love me some Kevin Hart, and I do think he's funny, and I've seen him live, and I really like him. So anyway, Sunday, July 5th, it says, what is your motto? Y'all probably know this by now because I say it more often than not. Live your best life. That is my motto. At least that's my motto for the last couple years. Yeah, live your best life. Okay, so that was the end of the 2 weeks. It doesn't seem so hard. I don't know why I'm just behind. That don't even make any sense. Anyway, I still appreciate you sticking with me. Whew. So, my hair. This is Hensley by, it's a red carpet wig. It's a lace front and it's called RCP 7010 Hensley. I know that's a lot, right? It's in the color 1B. And it is, it's by, the red carpet wigs are by Main Concept. I don't really wear her often. It's not, it doesn't fit my head the best, but then again, you know, it's this big head with this hair, all this hair that I have underneath. Anyway. Now my t-shirt, it says, I am a mama. This was given to me by my best friend, and this is in reference to George Floyd and when he called for his mother while he was dying. So yeah, this was purchased in support of you know, the Black Lives Matter and just racial equality and against police brutality. So yeah. So thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for staying with me. God bless you. Hope to see you in my next video. It could be a wig review. It could be about my Q&A. Either way, I hope to see you. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. God bless you and live your best life. Hi guys, so I have an update. I have made the difficult decision to discontinue doing my journal videos. I know, but what has happened is I kept getting further and further behind, and I've been doing so much lately, and it was just really hard to keep up. But I made it half a year, so I'm proud of myself. And I'm thinking, who knows, maybe I will start again next year and finish the year. But in the meantime, I'm still gonna do my wig reviews. I've been doing a lot of home projects and I have been recording them. So I've got some DIY videos. I've got just some transformation videos, and I'm really excited to put them together and show you. So hang in there with me. I really appreciate you watching my journal videos, and I hope to see you with my wig reviews and my home projects. Thank you so much. God bless you and live your best life.